Recently, fakemink's been blowing up all over TikTok.
I'm not where you at, can't see it, I need you now.
With his unique mix of nostalgia and raw energy. And today we're gonna be making a hood trap beat in a style. Let's get into it. All right, so for hood trap beats, you usually want to keep your BPM pretty high. So let's do 100 and let's do 184. First thing, we're gonna go into Hive and get some sort of like droney kind of pad and kind of like industrial sounding. Yo, this one's so hard. And for a scale, we're just in C minor. And since the sound already has a chord in it, we're just gonna do like single notes. Holy shit, that was low. Let's layer that. Let's get another pad. I like this one. This one sounds cool. Let's just copy our notes from before. I'll paste them in here. Let's take all these notes here, hit Control A to select everything, and then hold Shift and click, and then Control up arrow. And I think let's pitch this down. So Control down arrow. Or maybe we change this progression a little bit. Take these out here and leave that little gap. Now let's start working on our bounce. So I'm just gonna grab a snare from my new drum kit, Music Plus. Tight shit. What's 50% off? Lasts for a limited time. It gives you lots of fun. Guessed it, my birthday sale is live now. All my kits are on sale. Check it out, links in the description. And we're just gonna do this pattern right here. This is like the typical hood trap pattern. And we're gonna add another note right here. Make it super short, and let's just turn down the velocity just to add some extra bounce. And then Control B. Just turn it up a little bit. And now we gotta get like a super slammed 808, like something just super hard. I'm gonna look for something. Let's get this infinite one. I'm gonna show you guys a quick tip for making your 808s punch more. So go over here to this wrench thing and then boost up the volume here and go back to our envelope. And then let's just put our hold down and our fucking, what is this? The decay. It basically just like boosts a short amount of the 808. So the shorter it is, the less kind of punch there is, or the faster the punch is. You hear it? Compared to this. Let's do that. And shout out to Aiden Calloway, I think his YouTube is. And for 808, we're just doing super simple. We're gonna literally, these are all the notes we're gonna use. I'm gonna take everything and pitch it down just because I don't like the 808 that high up. So let's transpose it like 4 down. And a lot of guys ask how to make your 808s like hit hard. Basically, like just do that little trick I showed you with this volume boost and this envelope like this. And then make sure you have a soft clipper on your master. There really is no deeper secret than that. Let's just add a few little boxes.
Okay.
And let's just add some stomps, some crashes, maybe an open hat. And then I think I'm gonna add something else to the melody just to kind of spice it a little bit. It's pretty much all you need for the beat, but I'm gonna take it a little bit beyond because it's a little too basic.
Okay.
That in there. Just go crazy with the percs. Kind of, we're basically just like filling in the gaps right here.
Okay.
Fuck it. Let's put this 808 super low. Why not? You know, kind of like fuck it up a little bit.
Okay.
Add a little reverb to that, okay? Where is it? Where's the reverb?
Okay.
Super mono.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah, what are we gonna add to sauce it? We're gonna sauce it a little bit. We're gonna, you know what I mean? We can't leave it at this. This is just too. Dude, why is this the hardest ARP I've ever heard? Yo, let's just arrange this. Let's arrange this. I went a little OD and added too much stuff that I'm gonna take out. And we're do some like weird beat cuts.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's pretty yammed up. That sounded good. I'm gonna try a little freestyle.
Underdogs.
Louis V sandals. So they want me fit.
Son of a bitch.
Underdogs.
Louis V sandals. Supermodel bitches be fine.
Okay.
Go hand with a supermodel bitches be. Louis V sandals.
Yeah, fuck it. Whatever that was, that's what you see in the video. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that sub. Go check out my new drum kit, Music Plus. And it's good to be back. It's been about 2 weeks, but you know what I mean? Your boy's back. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment down below. And we got a beat battle coming up, second Saturday of every month. You guys know the drill. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Take care.